Good evening guys, it's Eddie at HD Cars. This evening I'm doing a full walk around video of this 2007 Audi TT, which comes in a 3.2 Quattro petrol engine V6. This car is in excellent condition for its age and miles, and this is definitely a future classic. This car has came to us from a prestigious dealer in Warrington as one of their part exchanges. We've had the car fully polished. It's had a couple of scratches altered as well, and I've had the wheels painted black, which accompanies the red leather interior extremely well indeed. This car is an absolute animal. 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds. It's an excellent example, and it's low mileage for a 2007 car. It's done under 88,000 miles from new. It drives excellently, and it comes with some service history, 2 keys, and it's an absolute joy to drive. Has the tail fin as well. What I'm going to do, just going to open the driver's door and start the engine, so hopefully you can hear it, and the noise out of it is phenomenal. Sounds really well indeed. Black and red goes together extremely well. There are no rips or tears to the leather. It's very comfortable. You can still smell the leather, and it's just a fine car. It really is. Absolute luxury, bit of fun for somebody. There's plenty of room in the back. It is a 4-seater, and there is enough leg room to get 2 passengers to the rear as well. But honestly, come and view this car if you're interested in it, and I guarantee you will drive it away the same day. It's an excellent example. The car is fully HPI clear, never been involved in any accidents. Just an absolute joy to drive. Like I've already said, it's definitely a future classic. I've even contemplated keeping this car myself. What an example. It really is. We're located just at the M58 in Liverpool. So if you'd like to arrange appointments, please get in touch. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.